if you are turning left at the end of a road where there's a T-junction, always look right and left several times. On the left, there might be a parked car, there might be a pedestrian, there might be, in this case, a dustbin lorry. And the dustbin lorry is definitely visible over the roof of my car. So I emerge out of the T-junction, wait, and then not one, but two plonkers emerge out from the junction behind, overtake me and cause chaos. You'll see that in the clip. Don't forget to check out my online driving course. Loads of tips, 18 videos, 4 hours of footage and detailed questions and answers, all designed to get you through your test as quickly as possible. So, I emerge out the junction, turn left. There's quite a lot going on. I've just driven past a parked car. There's 2 parked cars on my right. There's 2 parked cars on the left. The dustbin lorry, clearly got flashing lights on it. And the lady behind, who does a really good job here and actually spots what I spot, could have been indicating, but I'm not too worried about that. And now this car from the driveway turns round, tries to get ahead of the dustbin lorry. And again, these operatives are just trying to do the job, and plonker number 1 arrives. I don't think they're very welcome at this particular party. They now realise, oh God, I'm going to have to mount the pavement and drive at the operative who's standing there with someone's bin, just doing their job. These guys are at risk most of their working life from people not respecting the zones around the lorry. And when this second plonker appears, I literally can't believe it. I try to edge forwards to sort of discourage them, to realise that, you know, this isn't really somewhere you're particularly welcome. But no, they mount the curb, head straight at another operative, and make it now really awkward for us all to get out of this little pickle. So there we go. They're just doing their job. Give them space.